All right, so what's up, guys? I like to walk and talk when I'm doing this stuff, but I know I've kind of disappeared for a while. We've been working really hard on product development, relationship management, and just getting our names out there with more property management companies, more hotels, more pros, and we've just been developing everything that we can to try to grow both our Refinished Bath Solutions, Bathtub Guys, Tubcast, and all of our brands, all of our products. We have a lot going on. We have perfected the system. We have the best material. Really, we have the best material that's ever been made for this space at all. It has no smell. It's super durable. But we've also now made it very easy to install both as a DIYer and a pro. What you get out of coming to pro training, what we've learned over the last few years really, is that it was a DIY friendly product at first, and our pour-on kit is still super DIY friendly. Our roll-on kit can still be done by DIYer as well, but for roll-on, if the difference that people don't understand is when you're looking to save money and you can do it yourself, you can still do a really good job, but you take longer. It's not a rush when it's your own house. You can take an extra couple hours and let material dry and then do the next coat, and you can attack it a lot more slowly versus when you're a pro, you need to finish relatively quickly so you can get to your next job, or you can get home, or the customer needs to leave. There's just so many variables as a pro. So to help with that, we've decided that we are going to we demoed our entire old training lab, and we're building a state-of-the-art full training lab here in Nashua at our headquarters. So in there, we're going to have a whole bunch of bathtubs, tub and surround units, tile. We also have a new countertop system. We're going to have countertops for you to learn and practice on. But that process is going to be very much geared towards building new locations and building new businesses or adding service to stuff you already do. If you're an existing refinishing company and you're watching this and you're thinking, well, I tried stuff like that, it never works. The reason that it doesn't work is because you're going into it with a skeptical mindset, and I don't blame you. I mean, what you do is okay. It's just been the same forever, and not much changes except for they remove a lot of the good chemicals that make it work and attempt to replace them and rebuild. Things stay the same, and it's okay for a while until something new and better comes along. But I say this all the time, but don't be the blockbuster. You need to be the progressive ones. You need to be the Netflix. You need to come up with the new thing and use the new best thing. And when you're looking around and you're seeing all the Sheratons, all the Marriotts, all the Four Seasons, Disney, Universal, Best Westerns, I mean, these are all just hotels. I have tons and tons of property managers as well, big property owners, big property management companies. A lot of them are either asking if we have somebody we can refer in their space, or if they can send their maintenance staff here to train. And the answer is yes, you can send your maintenance staff here to train. And yes, we do have people that that are actively certified that can come out and do the work. So basically the point of this was just to share an update on what I've been doing and what we've been doing here. But essentially we've been networking, we've been building our reach, and we've been just trying to get ourselves and our products known across the world. So like I said, for existing refinishers, if you're skeptical and you want to try it, you are wasting your money. You can go on Amazon, or you can go on our website, you can buy our products, you can try it, and then you can cry about it because you just grab it and you just throw it on and hope for the best. The people that do the worst jobs with the roll-on are spray refinishers, because it's a completely different process. An average person that just grabs it and just does it has a far better chance to do a good job than you do, because you have a different style, you have a different setup, and you have different knowledge that hurts the performance of roll-on as a spray refinisher. So anyways, realistically, if you're ready to make a move, coming to our training and getting fully trained and making a commitment to switch over to Tubcast, that's really your only option, when it comes to our products. And I don't blame you if you don't. And, there'll still be some work out there for you. But when it comes to, when it comes to what we're building here now, we're building full-blown trainings to accept any level of service person that's interested in learning how to do tub refinishing and how to use the Tubcast system so that they don't need to inhale poisonous fumes, so that they don't need to wear an exorbitant amount of PPE, so their insurance prices go down by 50% because they're not using hazardous chemicals and because they're not using, all kinds of tools and all kinds of other things. You register for your workman's comp insurance as an interior painter with no ladders with our system. You don't need to go and take OSHA tests to wear respirators. This is a completely different world, and this is a great opportunity. So like I said, I'm running on, but there's multiple levels of service that we offer. So we have a basic training package, which is just going to be literally our entry level. That's a 2-day training. We don't go crazy like all the other manufacturers and just offer a training where you get to come in and hold a spray gun for 6 seconds and now you're fully trained. This is a one-on-one training where you're going to get all the information and all the lesson that you need. You're going to be able to roll at least 2 units. You're going to learn the countertop system. And if you want to stay longer and do more, you'll be able to roll as many as 6 units. That's going to be more than most people will ever do in their life. Like, it's very much hands-on. You're coming here so that you can say, well, I want to try this on an, you're not buying the paint and then saying, oh, let me test this on a customer's house. It's, let me come here and learn how to do it, learn how it works, learn how the sales process works. So anyways, like I said, I keep jumping off target, but we have a basic level package, we have a mid-level package, and then we have a full-blown business in a box package. I'll link the training website below so you guys can see what the packages are, but I've decided that we are not going to do just basic a la carte services. For training, we're going to go all in on you. We are not looking to make any money at all off of you. We are including everything. So our training packages from basic all the way to the max level include hotel stay. They include your food. They include all the tools and equipment that you would need to do this job. They include a month's supply of material. Basic level is going to be like 12 kits. Mid-level is going to be, I believe it's 24. Top level is 36. It's plenty of material to get started. Our top level is a straight up business in a box where you're going to get the Bathtub guys management service where they'll be able to build out your ad system for you. You'll be able to use their proprietary portal, which is a CRM portal. It's a payment processor. It's a DocuSign, and they're going to show you the way to properly, charge, way more than everybody else does for tubs, frankly. The average, when you Google it, is like $3.99 to $4.99 for a tub. They're averaging $7.99 for a tub. Why? Because we know what we're doing. We have the best material. We have the best training. We have the best certifications. When people say things like, well, why would you say you're the best? It's because we are. No other manufacturer is going to jump on a call with you directly. No other manufacturer is going to give you the service and help you need. No other manufacturer is going to stand behind anyone that they give a certificate to and say, yes, this person does great work. I will refer you work. No one's going to stand behind their work and then have a warranty on the material because a certified installer installed it. No one else is giving good discounts for for certified installers either. So there's a whole lot that goes into all of this, and wanted you guys to be able to see this firsthand. I know this is kind of a long video of me walking around my conference table, but I'm excited to talk about this. I'm excited to talk to you guys. I'm excited to show you what happens next. Some of the other things that we're hoping to add on here, we're hoping to add a 60 to 90 day series. And if you guys end up liking that, we're hoping to be able to just continually do that like once a quarter, where we have a new business that signed on to do our training. And then we just document day 1, day 2, day 3, all the way up to like day 90, day 100, so that we can say, this is how long it took them to produce 100K. This is how long it took them to produce 50K from scratch. We want to be able to show some fun. We want to make it just a fun series where we're dropping, a 5 to 15 minute video every day or two and give you updates on how many leads we got, how many calls we got, how many sales they made, how many callbacks they got, how many bad customers they dealt with, how many good customers, how many tips they got, just everything. But this is all part of a bigger thing. We're part of a bigger network. We're part of a bigger system. We want to bring people together in this space. We were doubted in the beginning, and we have steadily carved out quite the foothold here. We now have, I guess, a little over 30 installers that are doing it directly, and property managers, painters, turnkey people, anybody that does side hustle work, or any property managers that send their maintenance teams. We have tons of those as well. Like, that's not counting any of that. I don't know. I don't know if you guys would be watching quite this deep, but if you are, those trainings are also available, and they help save you guys, because now you just have to buy material and you have a team member that can do it. But it doesn't hurt any of the other add-on businesses. So anyways, like I said, keep changing the subject, keep running on. But if you're looking for a side hustle, if you're trying to just, if you're a turnkey company that needs to add a service, if you're doing painting and you want to add a service, any of this stuff, we're happy to add you on. We're happy to help you get started. Like I said, we have that level 1 program is just material install training. The level 2 comes with business training and some coaching. And the level 3 is literally a business in a box where you can just take it and run with it. So feel free to reach out to me directly. You can jump and hit the link in the description. We've got our full training page there. You can schedule a video call with our team to discuss some of the training options that we do have available and when the next openings are. I plan on posting a video probably early next week that shows just the demo of the old workspace and shows what it looks like as we start rebuilding it. But you can follow us on social, Refinished Bath Solutions on TikTok, Refinished Bath Solutions on Facebook, Instagram. We plan on posting clips of these videos when we're making them, and then getting some YouTube content going after that. I used to be very, very strong in it, and I kind of got away from it, but I don't know. I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling motivated. I have a good team behind me. We have a little bit of everything going on in here, but I don't know. I think it'd be fun to jump on and watch. And if there's other things that you want me to talk about, I'm happy to do that. For the DIY crowd, if you did stick in and watch it, I definitely plan on making some updated pour-on videos. I plan on making some updated roll-on videos. The main thing is that I've learned excuse me, I've learned over the way that the roll-on process specifically in terms of DIY is easy if you take your time and you do it over a longer period. I plan on making a new video that I slow down quite a lot. Everything I make is geared around how quick you can do it, and that's just not how most people operate. So I do it at the pace of a pro to show pros that they can do it that fast. But DIYers shouldn't be working that quickly. They should be working more slowly, and that's why they do a good job, and that's why they, at the end of the day, that's why they write such good reviews. So, anyways, appreciate you guys sticking with me. It's been quite a while, like I said. If you want to see more content, feel free to just throw out there stuff you want to see. If you want to see, some of the things we do to network, I can take you to some of the upcoming events that we have. We travel a lot. This whole business is built around family and friends, and trying to sustain a good life. In working at RBS, in building all the businesses that I've been involved in, I've learned quite a lot along the way. Happy to share some of that and try to help you guys too. But if you're doing this style of business as your full-time gig, and you're not over expanding yourself and going too crazy, you can definitely make six figures, and you can definitely be home before your kids get out of school pretty much every day. That's the life that I lived for the first years of my kids' lives. And I got into material manufacturing and doing all this stuff, but I've got a lot of other stuff going on. But at the end of the day, it's 3 o'clock, and I'm probably gonna go home and play with my kids now. That's just how it goes. And if you can, if you follow the tips and tricks that we give you, you'll be able to live the same style life. You'll be able to enjoy the same style things. So again, this channel has primarily been about how-tos and DIY. I really want to push it in the pro direction. So, the likes, the subscribes, the thumbs up, all this stuff helped quite a lot. So I appreciate that. Again, I'm sorry this is such a long video, but I had to get all this stuff out. I had to share it all, and I am going to end it this time. So again, thumbs up, subscribe. I plan on making a lot more content, and tell me what you want to see. Do you want to see real estate deals? You want to see car deals? You want to see travel? You want to see business development? You want to see how much money people make doing bathtub businesses? Do you want to see other bathtub refinishers that we work with? Do you want me to do some kind of a crazy giveaway? Tell me exactly what you want, and I'll do it. But I want to share my knowledge with the world. I want to build a community that is proud to say that they're a bathtub refinisher. I want gatherings. I want people to unite in this space. And these are just aspirations that I have for what's next. I don't need to do any of this. All of our existing businesses are pretty much self-sustained at this point. And, I just in general like this idea. I like trying to work with people, and that's why I shared it also. For the 5th time, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.